This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Greektown neighborhood in the hot West Loop, to a location that's close to restaurants, nightlife, Mariano's Grocery, public transit, and the UIC campus, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly Arkadia. I'm in apartment 1703, a one-bedroom, looking east toward a fabulous view of the skyline. Looking over the Burn interchange. Great expressway access here. Great public transit access. This view is even more spectacular at night. Floor-to-ceiling windows have roller shades. There's blonde plank flooring throughout the apartment. Looking at a U-shaped kitchen. Cook's preferred layout. It's a breakfast bar, white quartz counters, undermount stainless steel sink that has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. You have a tile backsplash, duotone cabinetry with 42-inch uppers for additional storage. Appliance package in stainless steel includes a built-in microwave and dishwasher, a 4-burner gas range, and a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Turning toward what would have been to your left as you enter the apartment, bath has a nice sized vanity with a vanity with mirror, marble veined tile on the floor, and a soaking tub. Directly opposite the kitchen, you have a coat closet and your stacked full-size in-unit washer-dryer. Heading into the bedroom, plenty of space for any size bedding, additional furniture, and a home office desk with that great view out to the east. Bedroom has a walk-in closet. Arkadia West Loop has a very appealing location. Steps from everything. Great suite of amenities. Variety of apartments with upscale finishes. Definitely merits a spot on your must-see list. Head to Arkadia's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.